Hello traders, the title of the video is Technical Trader Explains Oversold Technical Trading. Let's get started. Alright, when we use the word oversold, alright, it means a support level. So you may say, George, I already know this, why should I watch this video? Alright. I recommend to traders to watch the full length of this tutorial, this short tutorial, so you may understand everything, alright? So, anytime we hear the word support level, it means that something is failing, alright? So price is going down, and it will find a support somewhere, okay? The point where the price will stop falling or stop failing. This is a support level, price going down and then changing direction because it has found a support level, alright? But sometimes technical traders get confused because we talk about the CCI, the RSI, the stochastic oversold. But the word that we use, stochastic oversold, it means that the stochastic was going down and now it reaches, okay, the level of 25 and it's likely to find a support there and start going back up. So we need to differentiate between the technical indicator being oversold and the price itself being oversold. Alright? Sometimes the technical indicator may be oversold, but the price may not be oversold. If you look carefully here, the CCI period 14 D below the level of 100, so in theory the level of minus 100, negative 100, in theory it means that the CCI is oversold, is likely to change direction in that zone. It D below it continue to go down before it changes direction. But if you look carefully here, the price, okay, the price continued to go down. There were a bit of a rally up, but the normal direction was a down move. All right. So though the CCI in this zone was oversold at early stage, the price continued to go down. The CCI oversold, but the price is not oversold. The price itself will become oversold when it reaches a support level. So I have some line on my chart, and those lines are trend line. Okay, so I connect this point here and this one here. Allow me to draw the dark green line. I connect this point and this one here. I have the pink line. Connect this one and this one here. I have the red line, and I connect the red one, this point here, and this one here, and we have the red line. So pay attention to the red line. Okay, so this one here. Price breaks a bowl. Now the price start failing. All right, start coming down. Okay, where we leave find a support. So we have horizontal support level, and we have the dark green line. Okay, now at that point in time we did not have the dark green line, and we have the red line. So we need to use, okay, the oversold technical indicators with the price itself. Where is the price likely to find a support? So the price breaks above the red trend line. If it's coming down, it's more likely to find a support on the edge of that, okay, a trend line. And if here again, you can see that the CCI also is turning, and the price also is turning. So price was falling first, and then it found a support and turning now. Okay, the CCI also was falling, was oversold, and now it was turning. So both the CCI and the price were oversold and were turning, but the price was failing until it found a support on the edge of the red trend line. So the best way to use the oversold, meaning that it's support level, is to pay attention to the price itself, the trend line, the support level. One more time, look at this one, the orange line, join this point, and this one here. The price breaks above the orange line, and what it did, it was start coming down, which means the price was failing. Now it found a support on the edge of that trend line. Okay. Pay attention to the pink line, this point and this point. We are talking about support level, price coming down. Where will it find a support? Look at this one here. It's coming down, coming down, coming down on the edge of the pink line. All right. Now we connect this point and this one here. Now the price coming down, coming down. Where will it find a support? On the edge. It doesn't now it's here, okay? Doesn't mean that it will definitely find a support there, but that's the first place that the price is likely to find a support. All right. So now it is like this. If that candlestick bar is closed because it's a monthly candlestick bar, that candlestick bar must close. If you're on the hourly time frame, that candlestick bar on the hourly time frame must close. If you're on the 15-minute time frame, it must close. Once it's closed, now we say, okay, it was failing, now it's on the edge here. Will it find a support? Because there's a high chance that it may find a support here. But in order to control the risk, we must use different time frame trading method. We will not buy just because it was touching, okay, a possible support trend line. All right. So this is just to highlight a few things about okay, oversold technical trading. It's one thing to have a technical indicator oversold, which means the technical indicator has reached a support level. If we start turning, that's good for the technical indicator. The technical indicator may go up, but the price may not go up. If the technical indicator is oversold and the price is also oversold, we will use a top-down trading method to trade it. So here it was failing on the edge of that red line. It starts changing direction. Okay, traders that are using a different time frame trading method will position themselves here, say that this is a possible bullish trading setup, and if a signal is fired, okay, they will enter the trade on the low risk entry point. All right. So oversold means support level. Technical indicator may be oversold. The price may not be oversold. All right. If the price will be oversold, it will be oversold on the edge of a trend line or a support level. So instead of just buying, okay, see here. So what has happened here? Let me show you very fast because we don't want the video to be too long. So the price came down. Okay, here, see. So if you connect this point, so you can draw a trend line like this by connecting a low and a lower low. You see this low and this low here, we can draw a trend line. So here it is. You see, when it came near the edge of this trend line, some people, you see, that's why we have those tail here. Those are courageous buyers that were buying here. But all you can do, just wait for the price to turn itself first. That candlestick is closed. It's turn on the edge, and they implement a top-down trading method to trade it up. All right. Okay. The technical indicator may be oversold for a long time. All right. If it's oversold, like here you see it was oversold, stuck here. If the price is breaking support level, so instead of finding a support, the price is not finding a support. If the technical indicator is oversold, but the price is not finding a support, we will sell it. You see here, it was oversold, but it break below that support level. So technical indicator is oversold, turning, but the price did not find a support. We can buy. We can call it a bullish trading setup. Very simple, all right? Anytime you are using the RSI oversold, stochastic oversold, all right? CCA oversold, if the price did not find a support, did not turn around, we can implement a top-down trading method to buy it. Another thing that I would say to traders, do not attend very much to look for an opportunity to buy in a declining channel. So if the price is in a declining channel and the technical indicator oversold, if you are buying, you are contract trading. You are trading against the current market pattern. The best time to buy okay, to use the oversold is an uptrend. Price goes up, start failing, it reaches a support level, implement a top-down trading method without violating the market pattern, because the market pattern is a bullish trend, bullish channel. Right? You want to give priority to bullish trading setup. But what we have seen, trader will try to buy when the price is in a declining channel. It's a common trading mistakes. All right, whether one is using the CCI, the stochastic, or the RSI. This is about a technical trader explains oversold technical trading. All right. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about technical trader explains oversold technical trading. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you as soon